Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. The garden is the only place in the house which calms sense and give a pleasant feelings to the mind and body. Also, you can install a gazebo in the garden and enjoy your garden's beauty while sitting on it. Beside, another benefit of the garden is that you can grow organic vegetables and fruits at home. The quantity of these products are large, so you can share it with your neighbors. Also, the homegrown fruits and vegetables are more delicious and taste better than the fruits and vegetables that we buy from the market. Moreover, my garden has many flowering plants that give up layering fragrance that makes the environment light and aromatic. The flowering plants that I have in my garden include roses, sunflowers, dahlia, etc. But my all-time favorite is night blooming jasmine, whose pleasing smell separate at night and make the whole house aromatic. Everyone thinks that planting trees and plants is an easy task, and anyone with a tall lopper and with an easily to it. But only in gardener and the people who do gardening who knows the effort, the enjoy, energy, and gardening needs. Beside, only water is not enough for plants. They also need manure. Also, they need daily care in order to keep them healthy and fresh. Moreover, most of the plants are green, which means they need proper sunlight. Many people here are professional gardeners for taking care of their garden, but doing it on our own is more preferable. Also, it helps us to connect with the garden. Most of the plants are trees that are the garden are either planted and by me or my family members. We go to the nursery to buy seasonal plants every season, and most of the flowering plants are replaced by season. And as they die to due to the climate change, after buying them, we plant these sapling or plants in a strategy order so that garden looks more colorful. Thanks for watching.